Hey folks, how you doing? It's Richard from Bikepacking Adventures. I'm on the bike again. It's the final Sunday before Brest, Paris. This time next week, the big day, the race start of Brest, Paris from Rambouillet, France. That 1200 kilometre ride across Brittany begins. It's a bit of a practice ride today. Make sure these aero bars, which are newly fitted, make sure I'm happy with them, comfortable, and all things are set up on the bike correctly. I've spent 90% at least of the ride on the aero bars this morning because it is headwind all the way, strong 20-mile-per-hour headwind as well, so not a breeze by any stretch, a hard effort, just pancake flat all around, very little in the way of places to hide. So yeah, get myself towards Retford, which is the destination today's ride, just to the south of Retford, to Eton, turn around, come back again, hopefully with a nice tailwind. But until then, it's just a bit of a slog. Looking forward to getting to turn around to be honest. It's hard work, but this is good practice. It's a really good practice, considering this is kind of the first ride on the aero bar setup with the risers in place. So I was thinking to myself, what's this video actually about? Because just being me on the aero bars, talking about the setup and comfort and things, and essentially that's what is in preparation for Brest, Paris. It's a shakedown ride really. A week away from PvP, no mad long rides. I mean, I was meant to be doing 100k today down to Eton. Decided at T-junction I'm just going to go straight on instead of continuing right. I don't need long miles. I'm going to be commuting to and from work this week, so that's 40 miles a day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I've achieved what I set out to do on today's ride and this weekend really, just to make sure, you know, I'm okay on the bike again after having COVID and accidents and things. And my ribs aren't 100% correct. It feels painful coming off the bike, but I think I should be fine. And this ride has actually proven useful to Shakedown as well, because my front derailleur wouldn't switch up and down gears. Managed to get it working, which means I just need to give it an extra good clean this afternoon, get all the grime out of it, make sure those cables are doing what they should, moving the chain up and down the front ring. So if you take any weight, if you take something away from this video, and that is double check everything before this coming weekend for Brest, Paris. Make sure your bike's in tip-top condition, it's clean as it needs to be. Now I should be getting home this afternoon, getting some WD-40 on there, get a toothbrush, whatever else I need to do to give it a good clean in and out those metal components, the links and everywhere really, get it nice and clean. I've also been testing out these new shoes today. Still don't know what to make of them. It's the early days. I mean, the Shimano, I'm sticking to the brand. Comfort wise, they seem okay after doing 40k, but you know, you hear all these stories, people changing shoes last minute. So I might just put up with my old Shimanos for PvP, holes and all. Eagle-eyed amongst you may notice in the second half of this video I shifted the Garmin into a central position, and that's where I'm going to keep it for PvP. Now the light underneath, I did find an optimum position above, which is great if you need to have lots of luggage options underneath hanging off the aero bars, or something like PvP. We don't need to carry lots of stuff. I don't need that space, so I'd rather have it here comfortably. Whereas before it was over to the left, if you remember, obscuring the screen, and my hand wasn't quite sat right. So final adjustments this weekend, and with that in mind there will be a final kit list video very early on in this week, and I'll go over the bike as well once I finish setting it up. So I'm just having a quick stop in the village of Beckenham. I got one of these Lucio energy bars and cocoa protein oat bars. I need to work out whether they're from Aldi's or Lidl's and get some more of those at some point, because these are awesome. Don't need anything for next weekend past Brest because I'm already sorted, and you'll see that in an upcoming video soon. But today's ride, it's going to end up being about 45 miles. I was going to be doing about 60. It was never going to be a long ride today. Just spinning your legs. So just kind of a bit of commute way home now. About 25k, something like that, not far. It's been it's a good learning curve. Been on those aero bars. This is the right sort of distance of it, and all the way down, it's constantly on the aero bars. We'll be having Sturka, carb powders and liquids, caffeine, maybe a couple of gels as well. I got one of their essentials packs, or I can't remember what it's called. It's called the essential box set, shall we? So I'm going to be fully stirred up for PBP, and some nice foods and things. In fact, I'm just going to share something, an idea. So I was just looking at my bike. I may try and create a little box area in here out of cardboard, wrap it in some electrical tape, just create a little area there, have a play around, just for like Haribos and loads of sweets like that. Anyway, these are the shoes I'm wearing. So these are the Shimano 801s. They're just described as a gravel shoe, which is just, in my mind, that's just marketing. That's all it is. Seems a good fit. I love the colours though. Not white, not black, just a nice silvery colour. So I think these are gonna, I think I will wear them for PvP. Anyway, I'm gonna tuck into these now and just make my way home from here. So I don't think, unless there's anything else interesting happening on the way back, I'll leave it here. So if you've got any comments, questions, are you involved for PvP? Might see you there next weekend. Come and say hello, don't be afraid. Show me your bike, show me what you carry with me, you know. Be proud of the setup that you've got, and I'm just still be proud of mine. I love it, it's great. There's lots of funky bikes at PvP. I'm just looking forward to seeing what, you know, get to that start line and see what everybody's riding. Anyway, for me, take care. I shall see you in the next video pretty soon. See you later, guys. Bye bye.